Your car or pickup is sitting sideways on Highway 33 outside Cashton. Airbags deployed, steam rising from the hood, and before your heart rate even slows down, your phone rings. It's the other driver's insurance company. They just want your side of the story. They'll say it helps to move things along. Here's the problem. What you say in the first 24 hours after a crash in Cashton can permanently damage your injury claim, even if the wreck wasn't your fault. Insurance adjusters are trained to minimize payouts. They're not your neighbor, they're not your friend, and they are definitely not looking out for you or your family. If you've been hurt, you need to understand how auto accident laws in western Wisconsin actually work before you talk yourself into a smaller settlement. I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do after a crash and when you should call a Cashton Car Accident Lawyer who's ready to stand up to the insurance company. I've been representing injured motorists across western Wisconsin for over 20 years. I've taken cases to trial against big insurance companies, and I've handled crashes on rural highways, farm roads, state routes right around Cashton. This isn't billboard slogan. This is boots on the ground litigation. So here are 3 things you need to know immediately after a Cashton car accident. Number 1, prioritize your medical care, even if you feel fine. In rural crashes, especially on highways like 27 or 33, adrenaline masks injuries, whiplash, concussions, internal injuries. If the EMS recommends an evaluation, go. If symptoms show up later, get checked out immediately. Why? Because under Wisconsin auto accident law, medical documentation matters a lot. Insurance companies look for gaps in treatment. If you wait 2 weeks, they'll argue you weren't really hurt. Protect your health first. Protect your case second. Number 2, don't give a recorded statement. This is where most people unintentionally hurt their claim. The adjuster sounds friendly. They ask simple questions, but those questions are designed to get you to downplay your injuries, to get you to admit partial fault, to lock you into details before you know the full extent of your injuries. Wisconsin follows a comparative negligence system. If the insurance company can shift even a percentage of fault onto you, it reduces your recovery and how much they owe you. You're not required to give a recorded statement to the other driver's insurance company. Slow down and get advice first. Number 3, understand the full value of your case. A crash isn't just about vehicle damage. It's about things like medical bills, lost income, future treatment, pain and suffering, permanent limitations. In serious crashes, especially involving pickups, farm vehicles, or commercial trucks, common in Monroe County, the long-term impact can be significant. Early settlement offers are almost always low. Once you sign a release, you can't go back. That's why talking to a Cashton Car Accident Lawyer early can make the difference between a quick payout and full compensation. If you've been injured in or around Cashton, here's my advice. Get medical care. Document everything. And if the injuries are more than minor soreness, talk to someone who isn't afraid to take the case to court. I've spent over 2 decades protecting injured families in western Wisconsin. If you need straight answers about your situation after a Cashton car accident, just reach out. Because when the insurance company starts pushing, you deserve someone who pushes back even harder.